Batani au naboigo abaoroki wabakoro nigo baburigo gusira chisukuru au anana sensemo ya magacho eryo kwenekia obokoreri burubuya ukwana sumuiga bwokwena nebyegwa ase skuru ya sekondari ya Matutu PG chingaki bachengera obokoreri obuya bw'amatemo manene y'umwaka eta nigo mo director bwendemero imeye county ya Nyamira Zabron Kerina abaga kwenekia buna ogusiro ko nigo korabe okwengencho mono amange nigo twariganire na Brighton Makori.
Etengo nomogoko nigo yabwatainse ase skuru ya sekondari ya Matutu PG eye gotoka sebunge ya Kitutu Masaba anenekera baiboli amona bwatani awao baikirana ase skuru eyo erigo chingera amachiba maya yo mwaka bagiru 2022 bagokwana ase skuru eyo gati yabagani bali banyara bawikirana ase skuru eyo nigo bono banyarire bakubori abagwatani bekisemi
abanga abagwatani bonse abantu nabange cyarumi naye abantu basomire cy'skuru tigabayira nenka kero muntu sobo anyare gusira kisemya se skuru ya sobo
skuru cya Gusii kisegosirwa nigo kiranyara cyokora buya anene konyora maga cyaisaine
skuru buneye nebwato mu cyando bwera para tuliye talingiya yarose tukukale 2003 ya gotire tibwatie library lakini yagendete gukora buya igongo boria stakeholders yamangane kisemi bachenderi bakonye kisukuru cya Gusii egera tutige koira abanare twasomya abana baito Gusii gaiga naliyo na into turagenderere buna kinse kinde kigenderere
umukonyi bumwarimu manene ase skuru eyo
enko baganiria maya naende enko batebusire abarimu abanafunzi naende nalitira chikonyora motoke anga maya bunaya twanyoro mwaka oyo engagitoroje twairira abana 50 noyo mu university
boigo omwarimu oyo nanyaraka bateba ningikiride amachibu ayo maya akaligiwa ase omwaka oli oeta.
We are done a lot with these candidates who sat for the Kisii 2022. They were self-driven, that's why they attained these good results. The teachers were also hardworking, the parents supported us a great deal.
Aso mwaka oyo iga bwejirubere nemerongebere naisido.
For the candidates year 2023, we're looking forward for a mean of 9.1 and it is promising that we will attain this target that we have set as teachers and as a school.
Nonye skuru eyo kegendete gokora yani igobo
currently run short of accommodation for the boys who are lacking a dormitory where they sleep. There is a problem of water during the dry spell. Our students go to the river. We are also in need of more staffing. And lastly, what I can say is that this school is in dire need of other infrastructure facilities like a modern library, expanding the existing laboratory, and at the same time equipping the existing hall, which was geared towards being a library, but it is lacking books.
Umukonyi ibo mugambi korwa subrogation yenchoro.
Parents, I'm talking to you to encourage our students to come to school. Apart from providing, maybe you are providing school fees and all the necessary, may you take time to be with your children in a very responsible manner. Encourage them, talk to them, so that they can have that encouragement to come to school.
Gabriel Ugano, no sub-county director, Bwikisemi.
I'm very happy, guest of honor, that our effort is now bearing some fruits. I think the challenge we now have, and that's what is ringing in everybody's mind, is to maintain that part, that kind of performance.
Abangati ya bali banyara bawikerana.
So I want to implore the teachers, the staff, to relook at chemistry, Kiswahili, English. I'm seeing a very good performance in maths, but maths require biology, English or Kiswahili sometimes, and the chemistry.
Board chairman na mshirika wangu, jengea hawa madam teachers nyumba nao nzuri sana. Wale ambao wako willing kukaa hapa karibu, wakutana na watoto wafundishe, itakuwa vizuri. Mimi nilijengea principal na deputy wake, Na hawa madam teachers pia wacha wawe na nyumba nzuri hapo, yule anataka kukaa ataweza kuketi.
Ngoripoteri getaseni Candice TV kurwa seskuru ya sekondari ya Matutu PH yegotoka ase wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti ya Nyamira eretariane Brighton Makori.